In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your sign-up form to Mailchimp in WordPress. First, let's begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Open up your web browser, head to the Mailchimp website at mailchimp.com, and sign in with your credentials. You'll want to ensure that you already have an audience or list created within your account, as well as your API key, which we'll use in a moment. Now let's get your Mailchimp API key. The API key is vital because it allows WordPress to securely connect to Mailchimp. In your Mailchimp account, click on your profile icon, navigate over to Account, then Extras, and find API keys. You'll want to click on Create a Key if you haven't already. Once the key is generated, copy it, but be sure to keep this API key private as we'll need it later in WordPress. Next, we'll install the Mailchimp plugin in WordPress. There are a few ways to connect Mailchimp to WordPress, but the official Mailchimp for WordPress plugin is the simplest way for most users. Head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, and then Add New. In the search bar, type in Mailchimp for WordPress. Once you find the correct plugin, click Install Now, and then Activate to finalize its setup. Once your plugin is activated, you'll want to connect it to Mailchimp. Go to your WordPress dashboard again, and this time click on MC4WP and then Mailchimp. Here's where you'll paste the API key that you copied earlier from Mailchimp. After pasting it, hit Save Changes. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a green success message indicating that you are successfully connected to your Mailchimp account. Now let's add the form to your website. You have a couple of options for displaying your form. First, you can use a shortcode. The shortcode for your form will be displayed at the top of the form page, looking something like this. MC4WP platform ID 1T. You can paste this code into various locations such as a post, a page, a sidebar widget, or even a footer block wherever you'd like your form to appear. If you're using the WordPress block editor known as Gutenberg, there's another option. Click the plus Add Block button, search for Mailchimp for WP form, select your desired form, and insert it into your page or post. Finally, once your form is live, it's time to test it to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Navigate to the page where your form is embedded and fill it out with a test name and email address. Click Subscribe to confirm it's working, return to Mailchimp, go to Audience, then All Contacts, and check to see if your test contact shows up in your list or tag. Congratulations! Your WordPress sign-up form is now successfully connected to Mailchimp.